Hey!
So, today we are very excited because we are going to review one of the most remarkable women in the makeup industry, obviously her makeup line. We shall be looking into the Huda Beauty, the warm brown obsessions, and we are obsessed with these colors. I mean, beautiful.
Beautiful!
They're just beautiful. So, we shall attempt to start.
Yes, we have already done our foundation, our basic face makeup. So we're just gonna jump right in and do our eyeshadows.
Yes.
This lovely, lovely palette.
Very much. So, Thea will be going on the purple. Yeah. Thea will be going on the purple.
And Becky will be using these colors. More warm toned neutrals.
Yes, but we shall be using the
more
gold.
edgy.
Yeah, we shall be using the gold obviously at the end because we both love the glitter.
Because it's pretty.
Because it's pretty. So we're gonna start, okay? Stick with us.
Yes. So, as a transition shade, I think I'm going to use this, the base color, I think.
Yeah, the base color.
What do you think? Using a fluffy cleanse brush. Dipping into this. Go ahead. Is it pigmented?
Yes, very pigmented. Trust me. Trust me.
Okay, yes it is. Well,
Very
it's a white brush
pigmented.
and it's already nice. Tap it off.
Someone didn't mute their phone.
It's on vibrate. I need it on vibrate. Oh well. Sorry.
It's okay.
When you're using the same palette, things can get a little crazy.
Too crazy.
Okay.
So, but I'm very excited about this because as Thea mentioned, they're very pigmented, they're very, very good, very good. I did already try testing it out to see the colors. Now you're going to see for yourself. The only thing that was a bit for me when I tried it was the fact that if the palette shows that there's that color, do not expect the same shade of color on your eye. I'm not saying that if it's yellow it's going to be black, not at all. But I'm saying that if it's brown, it's going to look different on the eye. Now you're going to see for yourself. But you know, I didn't argue or anything about it because I still love the makeup line. She's a goddess. I mean, I love her. And she's from Dubai. Who doesn't want to live in Dubai?
Yeah.
I don't need to plan to go to Dubai.
Well, actually, it's too hot in there.
Okay, we're not going to compare.
No
it like
shorts in
Huda.
Dubai.
No, we can't. So, but they really, I mean, the bus stops and all that. I've heard that they have all ACs and everything like crazy.
Really?
Yeah, no, they're really up there, you know.
So, in my crease, I'm going to be using this purple shade over here. We just deep it in. Ooh la la, that's nice.
Yeah. De la la.
A bit powdery. Let me try to take it up. There.
So,
Tap it off.
I'll be going in for, let me see. What you think?
Whoa, that's nice.
Amazing.
That's good.
It's Huda
I like
good.
it.
Do you see what I did there?
We're gonna skip from one to Huda. It's Huda.
It's Huda.
It's Huda.
Okay, I'm going for the more brownish, so it's this color right over here. So the color looks light brown on the palette. Let's see how it's going to be looking on my own eye. As I said, you're going to see a bit of a
I
difference.
think that's true because here it looks a bit more reddish.
You see, it's like orangey, more orangey. And over
you
there,
used this one.
Over there it was more light,
this one.
lightish brown, okay? So as you can see, it's like as if I applied a bit of a more lighter version of a color than that. But I'm still not finding any problemo because it's good. Let's go for it!
Yeah. So, for my outer crease, I'm going to be using a pencil brush. This is from MAC. And I'm going to dip into this dark purple shade in the middle. Here. Deepy deepy. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. There's pigmented, yo.
Huda, good.
Check.
Check.
And I'm just going to, sorry,
So no, go ahead.
okay. I'm just going to apply this in an outer V. There we go.
Cute. My color is going to be not like Theo's, naturally, as we said in the beginning, but it's going it's going to be on a more darker tone of brown. So it's going to be this one right over here.
Which one?
This one.
Nice.
That's
I like
one.
that.
Okay. I'm going into my outer crease.
It's pretty. Pretty.
Let's see. Let's see the transition on the eye. Not bad.
So, for my shade color, I'm going to be mixing these two colors over here. This reddish brown and the purple we used before in our crease. Just going to mix them and apply them. I think I'm going to do them outer corner and inner corner. So in the middle, then I do some gold.
Just like me.
Goldy.
We love gold.
We do.
It's gonna be looking beautiful. For sure.
For sure, for sure, for sure.
For sure, for sure, for sure. Ah, look at the mixture. Don't worry, don't worry.
No, it goes.
I'm still blending. So I'm gonna keep on blending and create
blending.
more of a color, okay? She's going in for more color, so that's good. But I think I found enough color to like be satisfied.
Fine.
Look at that! Whoa.
That's a nice color.
Goddess.
Okay! So I just finished adding the red and the purple on my outer corner and inner corner. Now I'm just going to blend everything together. What are you doing? Right now?
I'm still blending.
She's blending. The key is to blend.
Blend.
Always blend.
And they're so pigmented that you have to.
You have to blend.
You have to blend it. Guys, we're digging in the glimmer now and the glitter. Yes, we're going in for the center color.
Very nice.
Obviously, we're going to use a flat brush since we're going to be tapping it on from the inner corner, at least me, from the inner corner to midway. I think Thea middle or
I'm doing it in the middle.
yeah, she's doing it in the middle. I'm just going in. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
She's gonna be shiny.
Oh, I love
Go
that.
ahead.
I have no idea. Okay. As we have mentioned, it is very pigmented, and I mean, it's the same applies for the gold. So, look at it.
That's pretty.
Going
it's very
in.
metallic. It's kind of a foiled shadow, kind of.
Oh my God! Look at this glitter, girl.
That's pretty. I tapped on it, so
It's okay.
you can use it.
Yeah, good. Great. That's great.
Oh, that's nice.
Hey.
Yeah, it's pretty. Look at that.
Whoa. She's looking beautiful.
It's bright. I like it.
Okay, fast forward.
Alrighty. So,
This is the gold, guys. Look at it. I'm closing my eyes.
what you say?
Love it.
I like
But
it.
now we need to finish
very
this
happy
look,
with it.
obviously.
Yes.
So we are gonna finish this look with. Go for it, Thea.
The lower lash line, girl.
We sometimes act like we're from Texas. I can't really understand.
Really not. We're from teeny tiny mountain, y'all.
Yo.
So basically, for my lower lash line, I'm going to dip into this purple again. Just smudge it underneath. What are you going to do?
Yes, and I'm going in for the brown color just right next to it.
Yes.
That's the primary color I think that we use, no?
Yes,
So-
it's in my crease, so I'm going to use it as well.
Going to open even more.
Open her eyes.
Yay! And go for it.
I'm gonna go for it.
Look at this.
Oh, that's pretty.
You know, I never really saw how different the makeup looks with having the lower lash line
with the shadow, eh?
with the shadow.
It really does.
And it's only, I think, it's only been this year that I've actually, not this year, 2018, okay, wait, 2017, that I've noticed that it really does make an impact. So yeah, I think you should add it to your makeup acid if you never have tried it. We do promise that it really opens up your eyes more and just makes it more of a, you know, finished look. So go for it.
It does, it really does. So, we're back. We have done our lower lash line as well as added some eyeliner. She used liquid liner, I used an angle brush liner. And this is the finished result.
Yes, but obviously we still have to keep on piling onto it.
Yes. So next we're going to go with mascara. I'm going to be using Too Faced Better Than Thanks mascara.
I'm going to be using Catrice mascara. All around mascara. Black color.
Nice. Yeah, it's black.
Yeah. It's black. And again, I'm going to apply on the upper and the lower lashes. Again, I have also been a newbie to having mascara on the lower lash line. I know. But it's just, I don't know. I think before I used to use a mascara that was really kind of bad and it used to always be so cloggy. Is that the word to use?
Clumpy, maybe?
Clumpy, yes. So I never really ventured to that. But now I'm back with Catrice and it's working.
She's doing it. So, having done our mascara, what's next, girlfriend?
It's shimmer time!
Yes, highlighter.
Yes, highlighter. So I have also purchased, together with my bestie, the Jouer Glimmer. I mean, over the shimmer. But stop it.
You bought it,
But still, we share it together because, you know, we're sisters. So, as you can see, their shimmer is so gold. Love it though.
What's it called? Which one is it?
It's called, wait, where's the box? Oh no!
The Skinny Dip.
Yes, the Skinny Dip, thank you. You see?
Yes,
Skinny Dip, and it's the tan lines. They have different, I think, if I'm not mistaken, they have different kinds of shades, but I went for the tan lines. So, we'll see how it works.
And I'm going to use a different one. And it's by Becca, and it is called Vanilla Quartz. It looks something like this. I think it's a sample size, this one. But still very pretty.
Look at this shimmer!
Let's see.
This is the first time I'm using it, so this is my first one. Look at the shimmer.
Nice, that's
nice.
Good first impression.
Good, very good.
I've used this a bit, so.
So
not my first impression,
though.
but I like it.
It's good though.
Ooh.
Ma, just look at, sorry.
What?
Just the shine when you capture the light and like
the shadow.
What?
It's pretty.
Will you on the other side? Because we want our faces to be equal.
I guess.
Obviously.
Yes.
And what color are you going to use for lips?
I think I'm going with a nude color. What about you? Because I have quite expressive eyes.
I think I'm going for the purple/pink color. I don't know what color you call this, but you can see it. It's of Kiko.
Purple, I think
it's purple.
Yeah.
It has a bit of a... It's purple. I think I started my love for lipsticks and all that through Kiko and MAC, but Kiko was the first makeup line that really, dragged me into that scene.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited about this. It's a lip liner. I use lip liners a lot for lipsticks, so.
Sometimes they're even better because they last longer. So.
Yep, true. There. Okay, I think I'm ready.
Cupid's bow.
I think I'm ready.
There we go. We're highlighted and lifted.
Yes. So this is the one that I told you about. The print is kind of off, and you're not even going to see it. But it's this. I don't know how you're going to see the color, but it's this color. It's purple color. But
it's a purple.
if you want to get maybe the same, like the number is 711 of Kiko, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. You're gonna love it.
I'm going to be using 2 lip products today. A lip
of course,
liner.
just to go all the way because it's there.
A lip liner and a liquid lipstick. No, the lip liner, it's one of my favorite. I already actually bought another one because I used quite a lot of it. There's just this much left. And it's from Essence. Very cheap, but very, very good. And it's in Lovely Frappuccino. I like that name.
Frappuccino.
Frappuccino.
I'm not really a coffee fan though.
I am.
I know, don't call me crazy.
I love me some coffee.
But I'm not really a coffee person in the morning. Herbal tea is as close as I get.
No, then we're tea lovers. We love tea.
Yeah, we love tea. But coffee, not that much. The only time I take coffee is during exams. Disaster. I take like 6 mugs a day. That's very bad. Very bad. But
you go like to extremes then.
yes, that's what happens. I can't say it didn't keep me awake. Actually, it kept me awake all night studying.
Yeah.
So that's not bad.
Not at all.
Let me see the color.
I should lighting my lips.
Nice. What's it?
Thank you. I like it. I really like it. It's a nude, but it's not. Kind of, look.
That's true. But it's a very nice color. I'm almost finished. Look at this. I don't know, it's not even showing. Sorry, because I'm covering up. I'm very sorry.
Okay. And next, I'm going to go in with my Tarte's lip paint in Delish.
Delish.
Delish. It's a matte liquid lip. And I like it a lot. Yes. I have very dry lips.
Where? Yes, she does actually. Wait, okay. This is my finished look. What? You know the satisfaction that you feel after you finish your look, and then you remember that you like. Yes, you actually like it, and then you remember like you're 2 hours late for your event.
Yeah, happens all the time.
All the time. Thea's almost done. I'm just going to show her look. But basically our true focus today was on the Huda Beauty. I think we both can agree that it was an amazing set. And we want to get our hands on the other kind of, on the other palettes. She has, I think if I'm not mistaken, the Mauve Obsession. And she has a Smoky Eye Obsession as well. Yeah. I need to get myself more into that.
These are finished look?
Yes.
You look pretty.
Thank you. You look pretty as well, girl. Aww. So all in all, I think we do approve of the Huda.
Yes.
I think we do approve of the Huda.
Check.
Check. Forgot the check.
Check, girl.
Damn.
Check.
So if you have any kind of questions, or else if you ever use it and you want to share your experiences, please comment in the section above. We're always looking out for, you know, things to look out for, or maybe things to discuss, you know, or maybe what we should look out for. So tell us about it.
Yes, we look forward to hearing your opinions. Please do.
And obviously we always finish off our videos by saying subscribe! And like, and go ahead, share with your friends and whatever. We're always here to welcome more viewers.
Yes, please.
Until then, have a good one, y'all.
Bye. Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.